The way you count the rhythm in any passage of music depends on its meter. Even the idea that a whole note gets 4 beats is correct only in certain meters, such as 4/4, where a quarter note gets 1 beat and a whole note 2 beats. In 4/2 a quarter note gets a half beat, a half note 1 beat, and a whole note 2 beats. Listen to the opening of The Stars and Stripes Forever while following the piano score and counts above the staff in example. The 2/2 meter instructs performers to think of these measures in 2 beats per measure. To develop good sight reading skills, practice reading rhythms with half note or eighth note beat units, as well as the more familiar quarter note unit. There are various reasons why you might see compositions written with a particular beat unit. Sometimes the meter is meant to remind the performer of a specific compositional type or character, such as à la brève for marches. Sometimes rhythms are notated with a longer beat unit for ease of reading, so that quick-moving or complex rhythms need not be notated in small note values. In the Sousa March, for example, the à la brève signature allows the quick-moving pitches to be notated as eighths rather than sixteenths. And sometimes the reason has historical roots. To 18th-century musicians, a signature of 3/16 would indicate a sprightly jig, while 3/4 would suggest the slower tempo of a minuet. One way to gain facility with different beat units is to write equivalent rhythms in different meters, as in example. Thanks for watching our music theory lesson on exploring beat units other than the quarter note. We hope you found it informative and helpful in expanding your knowledge of rhythm and music theory. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more music-related content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos as soon as they're released. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.